Hello students, Tamarind Poetry, 5th Standard English Notes, Part 1. Comprehension. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. First question. What does the tree give each year? Answer. Each year it gave fruit and shade. Second one. Where does the poet love to sit? Answer. The poet loved to sit beneath tamarind trees shady buffs. Third one, did the poet find the tree after coming back? Why? Answer, the poet didn't find the tree because the tree was cut down. Fourth one, what does the poet do seeing an empty hole? Answer, the poet's eyes filled with tears by seeing an empty hole. Walk around your school and home and find out the names of the trees you see around you. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Abdul Kalam. Unit 4 Prose. The boss who cares. Vocabulary. First main, choose the opposites of the following words from those given in brackets. Never, always, remember, forget, happy, sad, finish, start, quit, join or remain. Second main, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Dr. Abdul Kalam is presently the President of India. Wrong. Second one, he took care of all the scientists. Right. Third one, he visited the exhibition because he liked it. Wrong. Fourth one, the scientists were happy to work under him. Right. Fifth one, Thumba is in Karnataka. Wrong. In Kerala. Comprehension. First main, answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. First one, how many scientists were there at Thumba Space Center? Answer. At Thumba Space Center there were about 70 scientists. Second question, what made them restless? Answer. There was so much of work that really made them restless. Third question, where did one of the scientists want to take his children? Answer, one of the scientists want to take his children to exhibition. Fourth one, at what time was he permitted to leave? Answer, at 5:30 in the evening he permitted to leave. Fifth one, when did the scientist leave the office? Answer, the scientist leave the office at 8:30 in the evening. Sixth one, how did his wife react when he entered the house? Answer, his wife calmly reacted when he entered the house. Seventh one, what did she ask him? Answer, she asked him to have a cup of coffee or dinner. Eighth one, where were the children? Answer, children were in the exhibition. Ninth one, who had taken them to the exhibition? Answer, the boss was taken them to the exhibition. Tenth one, who was the boss? Answer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the boss. Second main, discuss with your friends and answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. First question, what do you understand by it took a lot of time? Explain. At Thumba Space Center, there were about 70 scientists. They were all involved in developing rockets. This was an adventurous task, and this took a lot of time. There was so much of work that really made them restless. They worked right from morning till night, and sometimes they left for home at midnight. But they were all happy to work under their boss and did not think of quitting the job. Second question, what do you think the scientist thought on the way back home? On the way home, he remembered the promise he had made to his children. He felt and for disappointing them. Third question. When the scientist returned home, his wife was very calm. The scientist did not expect this. Why? Answer. The scientist reached home. He found that the children were not there. He saw his wife sitting alone in the hall, knitting. He expected that his wife would verbally jump on him, but she asked him calmly, would you like to have a cup of coffee, or shall I straight away serve dinner? If you are hungry. He was surprised at this and replied, I would like to have some coffee, and you too must have with me. Before that, tell me where the children are, she said. Why don't you know? Your boss came here at 5:15 and has taken the children to the exhibition. Fourth question. What do you want to say about the boss? This was what had happened. The boss who granted the scientist permission saw him working seriously at 5 in the evening. He thought to himself, this person will not leave the work. But if he has promised his children a visit to exhibition, they should enjoy. So he decided to take them himself. That is why all the scientists at Thumba work under their boss, even though the workload is too much. By the way, can you guess who the boss was? He was none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Language exercises. First main. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb forms of the verbs given in brackets. First one. Dr. Abdul Kalam dash to be the President of India. Was to be. Was. Dr. Abdul Kalam was the President of India. Second one. Under the leadership of Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's missile program developed well. Third one, Dr. Abdul Kalam said that the youth should dream of a developed India. Fourth one, dreams must be fulfilled through hard work. Fifth one, Dr. Abdul Kalam worked hard as a student. Second means sit in pairs and say to your partner what you did yesterday, and your partner will say the same to you. Begin like this. I got up at 6 in the morning. Me also. I ate breakfast at 10 o'clock. Me also. Like this. Third main speech sounds. There are two sounds of th. Th as in bath. Bath. The sound. Th as in mother. The sound. Mother. Th sound is the in mother. Look at Tanu. What a girl. Something in her tickles people to mirth. See her father and mother, and Karthik, her brother. There's no one like them on the earth. Pick the two sounds of TH from the lesson, the boss who cares. There, THEIR, there. In there, the sound is there. TH sound, the sound. In Thumba, TH sound is the sound. In though, TH sound is the sound. That in that TH sound is the sound. Bothered. In bothered, TH sound is the sound. Them, the sound. There, the sound. Think, TH sound is the sound. Poetry, believe. Comprehension. First main, discuss with your partner and answer the following questions. First question, list at least 5 things in which the poet wants us to believe. Believe in love, believe in faith, believe in truth. Believe that no matter what happens, you have the power to prevail. Believe in strength, believe in courage, believe in honor. Second question: in what should you believe to be good at heart? Answer: believe that everyone has the power to be good at heart. Third question: what makes everyone unique? Believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. Fourth question: what happens when you believe in you? Answer. Believe in time, believe in forever, believe in you. Believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Activity. Discuss in pairs and add three more items of your own. I believe in happiness. I believe in honesty. I believe in trust and truth.